While the cryptocurrency market has seen its fair share of ups and downs in recent months, it seems to have slowly reined in attention from big players. From a survey released by Fidelity Investments, around 22% of institutional investors have confirmed to have some exposure to digital assets, with investments spanning the past 3 years. Additionally, the survey also reveals a consensus of 4 out of 10 respondents being open to future investments in digital assets for the next 5 years. Though bittersweet, this might explain the very little market action happening for retail investors. After all, institutional accumulation is known to happen simultaneously to periods wherein the rest of the traders are simply waiting for possible market activation. While many investors often question the legitimacy of institutional investors actually buying despite the decrease in the price on exchanges, a study of major institutional investors and their past behavior can help put some of these questions to rest. To illustrate, Bitcoin's price back in October 2018 was recorded to decrease by an alarming 35%. Around this time, Jake Chervinsky, a securities litigation lawyer at Kober & Kim, declared that this was due to several institutional investors accumulating whilst retail investors were selling. Chervinsky even went on to explain that the bigger investors were carefully accumulating new assets behind the scenes in a way that would minimize its effect on short-term price trends, such as through simultaneously hedging in on other markets in order to reduce risk. Aside from Bitcoin's own history, known Bitcoin investors such as James Richman, Bill Miller, and Michael Novogratz can also be studied to verify this market behavior. James Richman is a billionaire whose ultra-high net worth clients laud his wisdom in investment, as seen in his investments in diversified ventures that goes from private equity to commodities. Richman is also known to be one of the major figures behind emerging technologies such as blockchain. Another example is Michael Novogratz. As CEO of Galaxy Investment Partners, one of his cryptocurrency investments. You can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.